Nature is full of wonders we often overlook. Here are some incredible facts you may not know. The hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backwards. It beats its wings up to 80 times per second. Deserts aren't always hot. The Antarctic Desert is the largest desert in the world, and it's cold, not hot. Elephants have an incredible memory. They can recognize faces and remember places even after decades. Dragonflies have been around for 300 million years. They are one of the world's oldest species. Coral reefs cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, but support 25% of all marine life. Talk about a tiny powerhouse. Love nature? Hit subscribe for more amazing facts.